My first interface with a night dancer. 20 years ago, in my home village, Madugomba, we were children alone at home, and we had not prepared a meal for supper. And suddenly, we realized that we are hungry, so we decided to get out and prepare some porridge. You know those 4 firestone kitchens? You just put the stones and put firewood. Not in a butte kitchen. And as our sister was stirring the flour with the hot water, we suddenly heard a clap. And another. And a third one. And every time the clap went off, a fire sparked off. And the sound and the clap drew nearer, faster and louder, closer to us. We looked at each other and realized now there is trouble. And we ran off, closed ourselves in the house. Guess what? We had left the porridge on the firestones. So we were in the house, hungry, horrified, and hopeless. The plight of a procrastinator. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Apuuli. I teach you how to speak, sell, and scale your knowledge. This week, I am going to tell you the 7 ways of how to start your speech, what we call hooks. And today's hook is an anecdote. So an anecdote is a short story, preferably a personal experience, like my story in Gomba. Some of you may think that it's not true, but it is actually true. Tell a story. Make sure that it is connected to the topic you're going to talk about or the idea you're going to sell. Number 2, that it is brief. And number 3, that it is interesting enough to grab people's attention and evoke curiosity or desire to listen to you. Now, I'm going to ask you, I told that short story and then I mentioned the title of my speech. Did you hear the title? What was the title? Meanwhile, we have a free 14 days public speaking challenge where you're going to master how to speak and how to prepare yourself to tell a story. If you want to participate, just comment public speaking challenge and we shall share with you a link where to find the instructions and where we are going to participate from. Meanwhile, have you ever watched a video and later you couldn't find it? Yeah, it happens. So save and repost this.